nyo?
Leg po kami dito sa bahay ni Bench.
Pa-show?
Show!
Welcome to Benjo's Crib.
This my crib, yo!
And we're going to say our final words.
Madam Song.
Suck. Ano nga, umutik. Ano kayo?
Replay.
Isang lang nakikita eh.
Ang okay naman.
Lagi, ano yan? Mawawala ng gani audience yan.
Replay.
Kuhanin ko na nga lang. Oh.
May art.
So we're going
Ay,
home now.
ginawa natin.
We're going home now and this is the...
It's mine.
Remember that word.
This is Jerry.
Pakita mo total nyo.
Jerry's.
Tan.
And
Ito,
this
pakita mo.
is mine.
Ito ang tatandaan nyo.
This is
Uy, nag-text yung ano mo.
this is
Mama.
our band.
Ito.
Our
Bitches, boy.
Pa-reply, Bench.
her.
Bench, pa-reply.
We're going home now.
Final word.
These are beaches.
Bitch. Put your fingers to work, bitch. Bitch.
May pahabol pa.
Dudes.
Dudes.
Ba't din D-O-O-D?
Ano mo kami?
Ay, sa'yo na lang kayo, alarma.
Serious.
Oh, fucking. Oh.
Man.
Autograph.
No, man.
It's my autograph. Wait, man. Ay, gago tatuan natin, West Coast.
West Coast.
Ayan yun. Grove Street, Grove Street. Man, what you doing, man? Man, that man. Grove Street. Oh, man.
Ay, mali. Mali
That's
spelling.
tight.
Group yun.
Hey, man, that's tight.
Hindi, sige. Okay na yan. O yan, o.
Grove Street.
Tight, man.
Grove Street's king.
That's a nigga right there.
So tight.
Grove Street.
Hey, I will add some.
Peace out.
So tight, man. Man. Yay, put your shirt up. Fucking, what are you doing, man? Hey, man, I'm just trying to... Wait, hold on. Lower, man. Ah, okay. Wait.
Lower in this. Tangin na. Lumawa tayo.
Yeah. What the fuck are you doing, man?
Fucking game, man. That's not gangsta. That's not gangsta.
This is what gangsta. Connection.
What
What are you doing, man? Connection. Are you making fun of me?
This my man Rich. This Rich, the gangsta boy.
Yeah.
He's hardcore like
From the South,
gangsta,
man.
like
Yeah.
gangsta.
You're from the South. Yeah.
Gangsta. All your bitches watch out for
Yo. Okay, let's break this down now.
Hey, before we break it, it's our episode. What episode is it?
Yeah.
It's episode 13. Watch out for the 14.
So
For sure, bitch.
Episode 1.
yeah. It's the right thing here, man.
Corentan.
So tight.
Ay,
Oh, yeah.
lagay mo Sputnik, pare. Sputnik.
Look at those sticks, man. Those sticks. That's so.
Drawing mo na.
No, that's
Basa eh.
exotic, man.
Hirap that's
so exotic.
That's some healthy tips.
It's kind of huge, man.
That's mine.
Hey, can I lick those? Hey, sorry.
Oh, Lord.
Hey,
Lower,
no, man. No space.
Babasa yung akin.
My dad might see it. My dad might see it.
Nag-uwet. Tristan gets bitch teacher.
It's a bitch.
Sputnik. Bahala na gang, no? Mapang preso.
My dad might caught me, man. Look at those sticks.
Wala ka na pa yun.
Oh yeah.
Hey, man.
Oh,
Hey,
yeah, I
big
like
love things, man. Hey, look, man.
What you doing, man? Man,
Okay, upload sa YouTube.
down south, California.
Look at those. Hey, I will show you something, man. I will show you my...
Film this, man.
Yeah.
I'll lick those.
Yeah.
Want to see mine?
Oh!
You should go home to your mama, man.
Let's cut this shit.
That shit, man.
Cut that shit, man.
Go home Go to your mom. It's only.
How about in the back, in the back, in the back?
Holy shit, motherfucker!
Let's go!
Hey,
April, man. I think that's hardcore.
hardcore man.
He got body armor.
Pang gay bear, dude. That's the right stuff, man.
Yeah,
right stuff.
Hey, any last words?
Fuck.
Fuck. How about you? Any last words, nigga?
Go to your mama, man.
Go to your-
Kiss her goodbye, man.
Yeah,
I'll
yeah.
kick your ass.
Yeah,
Go home.
yeah. How about you, gangsta? How about you, gangsta?
Fucking.
Yeah. Fuck that, gangsta. How about you? How about you, man?
Replay.
Nothing.
Nothing. I don't wanna say
Okay.
anything.
Let's just cut this shit.
Cut
this
that
fuck-
shit, man.
Yeah.
Cut that fucking
Cut
shit.
this fucking cunt.